Once upon a time, I was all alone. How you like me now? Do I turn you
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for foundation, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal 24-hour wear foundation, and I'm going to be applying this with my beauty blender. I did prime before I started this video, so that's why I'm starting with foundation first. But yeah, I'm just going to blend this out. For concealer, I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I am in the color Custard. I did pick this up the other day. I also picked up the NARS foundation, but I don't know how I feel about it, so I'm gonna give it another try, and then I'll let you guys know how I really feel about it. So I didn't cream contour today, I did skip it, but I did bronze my face using my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I also contour my nose. Of course, I'm not gonna skip that. And I also started cleaning everything up with some translucent powder. Alright, so after I finish removing all that powder, I'm going to go in with my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm going to set my makeup. And once that is done, I'm going to be moving on to the eyes. And for this look, I'm going to be using my James Charles palette, of course, you know already. But anyways, I'm starting with this pink eyeshadow, and I'm placing this on the crease. I'm using my favorite brush ever, which is the Morphe M441. I'm pretty sure you guys know this is my favorite brush ever because I use it all the time, but I just love it so much. It blends everything so good. I highly recommend it. So next, I'm going to be applying this light purple eyeshadow on my crease. I am using a T45 brush by the Makeup Shack. After, I will be applying a darker purple, but that's going to be in a little bit. You guys are going to see in just a few minutes. But for now, I'm just going to start building up this color because, like I said, I will be applying a darker eyeshadow in a little bit. I did cut my crease off camera. You guys have seen me do this so many times, so I just went ahead and did it off camera. But now I'm just going in with a flat brush and I'm just going to make sure the concealer is blended. Alright guys, so this completes this makeup tutorial. Let me know what you think about this look, and also let me know what other looks you want me to do or what other colors you want me to include. Let me know in the comment section because I will be reading your comments. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video.